we're going up into the mountains, up there behind us. Now, if you see the big cloud, that's Mount Agung. So we're going to go up to one of the local banjo offices further up the hill. I think this is the same place as I nearly killed my car last time. So we'll go hutty-hutty. We're going to take it nice and easy. Whoop. We've got all the other veggies and stuff in the back of my car. And it's a nice small group of people that have come up here to donate their own money and their own time so that they can help my village up here, which is just fantastic. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. We're going to have a lovely day. We're going to help about 50 different families. We've got eggs. We've got 1/4 of a tonne of rice that's bagged up into 5 kilo bags so we can hand one out to everyone. And we're giving out, we're giving out about 3,000 meals today. So it's going to go a long way. That's about 50 families for up to a month.
Hi!
There she is, hiding away. So, thanks boys for coming. Hey, these are the guys from Puikasi. The Eagle Warriors have come along to help us as well, because I didn't want to take all the heavy stuff in my car. So, hey, follow us. It's going to be fun.
I hope the brake is good, yeah?
Film to me, Zim. I gotta say, I don't think these cars were ever designed for this, but they do a bloody good job.
You know why? That's why every month having a lot of repair.
What just fell off?
No idea. Ice ski or the
No.
mineral water. And he keep an eye on the road. Please, no back.
To say that we've just done a crazy steep road is the understatement. How was that road, man?
That was intense.
We're four driving in a little bus. Luckily, the guys with all the heavy stuff and the rice have been in the four-wheel drive. How was that? You good? Hello.
Hello.
And we've got the whole village come out to get some. How was that, guys? We've still got to turn around and get back down the hill. So look, on the side of the biggest volcano in Bali, which is just up there somewhere, we have come up. Oh, he's got some mattresses. Look at this guy. Well done, brother. Astaga. Oh. Hey, you're gonna have to move that bike. I'll just grab a mattress. Oh, thank God. We had to abandon those mattresses last time we killed a car coming up here. Oh, so we left them down at the banjo office for later. Hello. Swastiastu. Hello, ma. Hello, boss. So what we need to do is you need to carry all that rice and the eggs, and we're going to make a pile of it over there. So we're going to get people to line up and come up and we'll give them some of the things. So first thing is to get the heavy stuff out of the way.
So it's all coming off?
So this is how we make the boss of the village work hard.
Doing his job.
He's doing his job there, brother. Look at this. So this is how you buy and distribute eggs. We're putting the eggs in bags. Oh, good there for now, it's all right. And oh my God, lovely shirt, man. I love it. We've even got the police. Oh my God. Looking out to the ocean, there's the north coast of Bali across there. Tianya, and eventually up towards Singaraja over that side. The giant Mount Agung over here that you can see from Nusa Penida. And these are the people that live on the side of the mountain. And it's their ancestral land. People say, well, why don't they leave? When Mount Agung had its last eruption, these guys all lost their homes, all got kicked off their land. And quite a lot of them had livestock or little farm industries, and some of them ended up not being able to get back to look after their livestock. So it really did make a big damage, or a big dent to the economy of the local area. And even if there's a small eruption, these places get evacuated pretty quickly because of their vulnerability. It's just beautiful up here though, and the temperature's nice and pleasant. And these people's families have been living here for centuries. very much living in a way that they probably lived many, many years ago, with almost no creature comforts. No one up here's got a fridge, or very, very few. Many of them don't even have power or electricity. And a lot of them won't have motorbikes, so their only chance of getting up and down is to get a lift with someone, or to wait for someone to bring some stuff up to them. So today we've had some of the leaders, or some of the more capable people in the community have doubled and got these people up here so that they could come and meet us for the day, and so we can also help them out.
Astaga.
And listen, on behalf of Bali Donate, guys, to all of you, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
It's beautiful to be able to, it's one thing that people say donate to World Vision or Smith Family or whoever it is, but when you actually get a chance to come here and see your money at work, and even help pack it and be a part of that whole process, it means so much. And today's donation predominantly was put up, and I can't thank you enough. He's here because he saw what we did on Bali Donate, and he said, I want to come to Bali and help. So, brother, it means everything.
Thank you so much.
So, cheers. These are the people you're helping. So to get all their goodies home, we've got a little army of helpers and carriers and supporters and family members that are going to jump on the motorbikes and double them up and down this treacherous steep hill. I don't know how they do it, but they do a great job. And then, like they've been doing for centuries, imagine how short my wife would be if she did that.
Ini I don't know what you say.
Honey, he's saying you look so tall. A big smile. He's got us, right? was that, Luke?
It was great.
Yeah, it's amazing, eh?
Best thing I've ever done in my life.
The look on their faces is just so, it's golden, isn't it? They're so happy. And even giving him a lollipop. They're sitting there going, oh my God, like,
Sweetness.
yeah. I don't think they get many lollipops up here. And they certainly don't get many visitors. And I can't for the life of me work it out. Check out this track. Oh, okay.
Honey.
Sounds amazing, isn't it?
That's it. Yeah. Are we staying here?
We giving her back.
Yeah. Got a mattress? She need one? Let's go and have a look. Hello. Swastiastu. Hello. Oh, what a beautiful lady.
Hai, Mek.
Okay.
Dadong, sampai lurus.
Go on.
Ini nih. Masuk terus.
Swastiastu.
Misalnya, ini kan misalnya air minum separuh nih, dibawa turun gini. Nah,
So she had a stroke at 34.
34.
Wow.
Very young.
Is she getting mobility still a little bit?
Iya. Tapi ibu masih bisa jalan. Jalan kan? Ya. Pelan-pelan pakai ini supaya biar latihan kaki ya. Tapi jangan tergantung. Iya. Nah, spray.
How old is she? Do you know?
Umur berapa nih?
Kudu umur Pak Kades?
Buatan apa?
80.
80 years.
85 already.
80, yes.
Ya.
80, 80.
And no family?
Still praying.
Sembayang, pray.
I sent this day a lot of thief stealing because fail the harvesting. He is a driver.
Yeah.
Freelance. And then how many place like this you been here? Maksudnya berapa banyak tempat yang kayak gini yang kamu pernah pergiin?
Hati-hati.
Just one? Just one, honey. All usually tourism place. Tempat-tempat yang turis-turis pergi ya. Always tourism place, never being like this. Kamu tahu nggak sebagai warga lokal bahwa tempat kayak gini ada? He is a local driver. He say he very surprised with this situation. Makasih ya. Siapa namamu? Pande.
Get his number.
Asli mana?
Klungkung.
Klungkung.